Hi guys, so on today's use case, we are going to be looking at Python strings. Python strings are is a fundamental data type in Python, right? And it plays a significant role in data analysis. Again, a string is a sequence of characters, so you can see letters, names, and stuff like that, and they are enclosed in either single, double, or triple quotes. Right. So let's look at what we have and how we're going to work with this. So we already have data science salaries. So that's what we have, data science salaries, and so we just put a head to this. So this is the first five observations. First five observations. Right, so that's just what this is. What was that? All right. So now let's look at what we have. So let's port this. Let's port this job titles column, and then let's look at a few things we can do to it. Now, the first thing we want to do is let us convert all the letters in job underscore title, right? Is that it? Yes, job underscore title to lowercase. So now what I'm going to do before we start that is I'm going to look at data science salaries. Then I'm going to create an index of job, not create, just so we can see this. Then we just see the first five of the series. So a series is a one-dimensional data frame, so to speak, just has a column. So you can see that we have all this. Now next, we want to now do this. So once we do that, I'm basically just going to say data science salaries, still the same, job titles. So I don't want to change anything. I just want to use the same one. Here, I'm now going to still call the data science salary and index it again. That is the job titles. Then I'm going to use dot string dot lower. Right. So what this is going to do is just, you're going to see all these guys change. So once I do this, and then I simply copy this over here, you can see what we have going on. Aha! You can see that the strings have been converted to lower cases using a functionality dot lower, string functionality dot lower. One more thing. Shall I do one more thing? All right. So now that we have it, we want to create a new column. So what we're going to do is we're going to check. So let me just, we're going to check if job titles, job underscore title has data science in it contains it. So it contains data in each of it. So let's use data, right? Should we use data or should we use machines? So let's use data, right? Contains the word data. Look at that. We'll put it like we're putting the string, right? So how do we do that? We're going to call this review underscore job title. That's what I'm going to call this new row. Then that's what I'm going to call it. What I'm going to now put here is data science salaries. So this is going to be your new column. So this is how we create that. Right, so this is how we create it. Then in here, what I'm going to extract it from is going to be the data science salaries, and I'm going to do the extraction from job title. So you see that's job title. Now, for me to do this, I want to now say dot string dot contain. See that? Contains. So this is what I want to do, dot string dot contains. And then what I want is data. So that's basically what I want to see if it contains. That's what I want. So we have data salaries. We have a new column called review underscore job title. We're going to extract if it contains, if job title contains data, then we're going to put that into a new, we're going to put it into a new column. Boom. So now see what I'm going to do. I'm now going to say data, just to confirm, because I know I have a new column. We're going to have job titles. As a matter of fact, I'm going to add an additional square bracket so that I can have one more. So this is what I want to take, review job title. So I'm going to put it over here. Beautiful. I just want to see the first 5 rows. Did it work? Yes, you see. Data scientist is true. Machine learning scientist is false. Big data engineer true. Product data analysis. Oh, let's just make it like 30. Let's see what the first 30 is. Aha, you can see that. So many truths. So basically what we have done is just to show a use case for Python strings. So with this use case, you can see that I looked at the data science salary data frame and I looked at job title, right? So first thing I did was to look at the job title at first. Then here, this is what I actually did. I converted this job title, the cases and the letters in the strings, converted it to lower cases. So you can see they're all lower cases right now. Then I went ahead to create a new column called review underscore job title. And then I wanted to find out if they contain the string data. And then of course we now had a new column that had Boolean values inside. You see that? We kind of achieved 2 things. We all talked about Boolean values inside a column. So there you go, a second use case video. Check it out. Like, subscribe, share with friends and enemies.